guys, what's happening today? We are back with some more Subway Surfers. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So, let's just play some Subway Surfers and enjoy the video. Okay, so here, Emerald running here with 2 million. That's a nice. There we go. Do this. Oh no. What? Oh. I don't know, time to get that. Let me just show you guys how to do that. So, if you it kind of saves you. See? That happens, and it's basically giving you a lift and giving you like a little warning. This means you have keys and you use it, but I don't know what it is, so. And you can also like boost your stuff. It's not, okay, like this. So guys, that's how you play Subway Surfers. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye.